Hey everyone, I've got another stunning Harcourt's Prime property to share with you today. A newly built custom home with the finest amenities, direct access to the sandy beach, and tons of street parking for guests. What more can you ask for? Let's go take a look. Welcome to 1823 South Pacific. Located in the sexy San Diego North Coast, Oceanside Beach has arguably the most sought-after ocean views that San Diego has to offer. As you arrive to the property, you are greeted by the most expensive neighborhood in Oceanside. An oversized one-car garage with plenty of storage and tons of quiet street parking, not to mention a gated front entry that ensures privacy and peace of mind. Upon entering the home, you are greeted by a bright and airy ambiance. Using the finest natural wood craftsmanship, this design delivers the very best beachfront energy with 5-star resort finishes. The main level offers a great room floor plan with high ceilings and floor-to-ceiling windows that captivate you. The grand kitchen is a chef's dream. Dual ovens, high-end appliances, book-matched cabinetry with pull-out shelves, and a genuine walnut tree bar as its centerpiece. But my personal favorite, an expansive viewing deck that's perfect for entertaining. The executive suite stretches across the entire top floor. It features a home office with private balcony, built-in cabinets, and state-of-the-art sheer and blackout shades throughout. The barreled beam ceilings deliver an unmatched architectural design. The master bath is equipped with a large steam shower, deep soaking tub, his and her vanities, and resort-style privacy shutters. But let's not forget, waking up to your private balcony with jaw-dropping ocean views that last forever. The secondary bedrooms each have private balconies with ocean views. The terrace level offers a private suite with its very own kitchen, steel shutters for peace of mind and security, and direct access to your backyard sandbox. But what really sets this property apart are private stairs with direct access to the sandy beach. Now that's a $1 million feature. If resort-style living with direct access to the beach is what your family needs, then this is a property you don't want to miss. Call us today to schedule your private tour.